Welcome to Healthcare Channel. Yoga is an ancient practice that originated in India over 5,000 years ago. It is a holistic approach to wellness that encompasses physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. In recent years, yoga has gained tremendous popularity and is now practiced by millions of people worldwide. In this video, we will explore some of the many benefits of practicing yoga. Physical benefits. Yoga helps improve flexibility, strength, and balance. The different asanas or postures in yoga help stretch and strengthen the muscles, which in turn can help reduce the risk of injuries. Additionally, yoga is a low-impact form of exercise that can be practiced by people of all ages and fitness levels. Mental benefits. Yoga is known for its calming effect on the mind. It can help reduce stress and anxiety by promoting relaxation and mindfulness. Regular practice of yoga has been shown to improve sleep quality, boost mood, and reduce symptoms of depression. Some forms of yoga, such as vinyasa and power yoga, are more intense and can provide cardiovascular benefits. These practices can help improve heart health, reduce blood pressure, and lower the risk of heart disease. Respiratory benefits. Yoga involves controlled breathing techniques, also known as pranayama, which can help improve lung function and increase oxygen uptake. This can be particularly beneficial for people with respiratory conditions such as asthma. Digestive benefits. Certain yoga poses can help stimulate digestion and improve bowel movements. Twisting poses, for example, can help massage the abdominal organs and improve digestion. Immune system benefits. Yoga has been shown to boost the immune system by reducing stress and promoting relaxation. It can also help increase the production of antibodies, which play a crucial role in fighting infections. Pain management benefits. Yoga can be an effective tool for managing chronic pain. It can help reduce pain levels, improve physical function, and enhance the overall quality of life for people with conditions such as arthritis and back pain. Cognitive benefits. Regular practice of yoga has been shown to improve cognitive function, including memory and concentration. It can also help reduce age-related cognitive decline. Social benefits. Yoga classes provide a supportive and non-judgmental environment where people can connect with others and form a sense of community. This can be particularly beneficial for people who feel isolated or lonely. Spiritual benefits. Yoga is deeply rooted in spirituality and can help individuals connect with their inner selves. It can provide a sense of purpose and meaning, and help individuals develop a greater sense of compassion and empathy toward others. Posture improvement benefits. Practicing yoga can help improve posture and alignment, which can help reduce pain and prevent injuries. The various asanas help strengthen the muscles that support the spine and improve overall body awareness. Self-awareness benefits. Yoga encourages individuals to focus on the present moment and become more self-aware. This can help individuals identify patterns of behavior or thought that may be holding them back, and develop strategies for positive change. Improved energy levels. Practicing yoga regularly can help increase energy levels and reduce feelings of fatigue. The various breathing techniques help increase oxygen uptake and circulation, which can leave individuals feeling more energized and alert. Better sleep quality. Yoga can help improve sleep quality by promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Regular practice has been shown to help individuals fall asleep more quickly, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling more refreshed. Increased flexibility. Yoga helps improve flexibility by stretching and lengthening the muscles. This can help reduce stiffness and improve mobility, making everyday activities easier and more comfortable. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation has been linked to several health conditions, including heart disease, cancer, and autoimmune disorders. Yoga has been shown to help reduce inflammation in the body, which can help lower the risk of these conditions. Improved balance. Yoga requires a great deal of balance and coordination, which can help improve these skills over time. This can be particularly beneficial for older adults, who may be at increased risk of falls. Lowered blood sugar levels. Practicing yoga has been shown to help lower blood sugar levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes. This can help improve overall blood sugar control and reduce the risk of complications associated with the condition. Enhanced creativity. Yoga can help enhance creativity by promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Many people report feeling more inspired and creative after practicing yoga. Increased self-confidence. Regular yoga practice can help increase self-confidence by improving physical and mental well-being. This can help individuals feel more comfortable and confident in their skin. In summary, yoga provides a multitude of benefits for the body, mind, and spirit. From improved physical health to reduced stress and increased creativity, the benefits of yoga are endless. So, if you're looking to improve your overall well-being, consider incorporating yoga into your daily routine. With regular practice, you may be surprised at the positive changes you experience. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now for more information.